We're going to begin with only two of the primary colors, yellow and red. That's what I will put in your palette. And then you are to find the yellow stripe that you labeled Y and paint the yellow one first. Do not paint the red. The reason we do this is because the yellow gets dirtied or soiled very easily with any red that might be on your paintbrush or any dirty water. So we like to do the yellow before it has any chance of getting turned into a dingy orangey color. Most of you will only have one stripe of yellow on your paper, but some people end up getting two stripes because of the size of their ruler. Once your yellow stripes are painted, the next thing I want you to do is clean the yellow off your brush with the water, drain all the extra water off your paintbrush too, and paint the stripes labeled R red. Now you're ready to start mixing colors. Let's begin by scooping up some yellow and putting it into an empty hole of your palette. You always need to clean your brush in water before you stick it in a different color. So swoosh it on the bottom, get the color off, and then scrape it on the edge of the container to drain off the extra water. Scoop up a little bit of red and stir it into your yellow. What sometimes happens is the red dominates and the whole orange looks more like a red than an orange. But that's okay because we need a color called red-orange. So save that and we can use it for the red-orange stripe. Red-orange is an intermediate color. But let's try to make an orange that is actually an orange color. Not too red. Not too yellow. Well, we'll come back and check out that one and see if that's good. I'm going to make another orange, so I'm just scooping the extra paint into the next hole. And I'll put some yellow and some red in the next one, but this time I'm going to do it in a different combination. Lots of yellow and only a tiny, tiny little bit of red. And I'm trying to make another orange. There's 3 oranges you need altogether. One should not look too red or too yellow. We call that orange, and that's a secondary color. And the other 2 are called intermediate colors, and they should look more red than orange, and the other one would be more yellow than orange. So we've got orange, yellow orange, and red orange. So check out your 3 oranges and decide if they do look like the 3 I just mentioned. If not, add a little more red or a little more yellow to one of them to help make it look more like an intermediate color. So I think now I've got a clean yellow and a clean red and 3 different oranges. One is red orange, yellow orange, and orange. So I'm going to test them on my paper here and fill in the stripe that says red orange with the one I think is the red orange. I notice when I'm doing this, mine start to get a little bit watery and it's changing how dark they look because of the water. So I think it's important to squeeze out your paintbrush and eliminate the water from the brush so it comes on thick. That yellow orange is just looking a hair too yellow to me, so I'm going to add a little bit more orange to it, but I don't want it to turn into an orangey orange. For comparison's sake, I should put some yellow next to it so you can see how different it actually looks from the color yellow. I've got to clean my brush first because I don't want any orange to be on my yellow paint. See, now that does look a lot more yellow than the other one. And let's do that with the red orange too. We'll put some red beside it so you can see that it truly is a red orange and not actually a red. Wow. That looks perfect. You would continue filling in your entire stripe from top to bottom with the colors that you just created. And that's all we're going to be doing for today. The red, yellow, and oranges. 3 different ones.